Now this isn't KLCC, it's Damansara Heights, Kuala Lumpur's Beverly Hills. And this is a 6 million penthouse that refines what city luxury feels like. Over 3,000 square foot of space, marble flooring, German-made kitchen, and a skyline view that feels private and peaceful as well. And yet it's quieter and more peaceful than most of the new launches in Kuala Lumpur city centre. Let me show you why. Now location needs no introduction. It's located in Damansara Heights, where it's also known as Beverly Hills of Malaysia. You have ministers, VVIPs, millionaires, billionaires, all money families staying here. And right next to DC Residensi, of course, you have DC Mall, where you have Jaya Grocer, where you can shop for your groceries, and you have Sofitel Hotel as well next door. And right across the road will be Pavilion Damansara Heights, where I'm at right now, where you can find cafes, boutiques, the cinema is coming up. Right, so you have convenience, everything at your doorstep. And in terms of accessibility, of course, you have MRT Pusat Bandar Damansara, okay, which is connected to the mall, and it's only 5 minutes walking distance from DC Residensi. And this LMRT station, right, my friends, it connects you to Bukit Bintang and also TRX within 5 to 6 stops. And if you want to head to the airport, it's super convenient as well. You can head to KL Central, 2 stops, and it's only 30 minutes from the station to the airport. All in all, less than 1 hour from DC Residensi, you can reach to the airport already. Very, very convenient. Now, without further ado, let's check out the penthouse unit. Let's go. Alright, so come in. Now we are in the penthouse unit of DC Residensi. This penthouse is 3,078 square feet and 5 bedrooms. And the first thing when you come in, you'll be welcomed with this very spacious living area over here. So right in front of me is also a courtyard, an outdoor section. It brings in a lot of natural light. So up to your imagination, you can actually make this into a mini bar, a fish pond, or just some sitting areas for you to stargaze at night. So before we go into the kitchen and everything, let's take a look at the bedrooms over here. So the sleeping quarters is divided into 2 sections. One over here is more for your kids and probably your guest room. And over there is where your main sleeping quarters is at. Let's take a look at the guest room and also the kids' room over here. So the first one that you see here, this room number 4, right? 4 and 5. Take a look. Timber flooring all around with ensuite bathroom with shower head and rain shower, vanity mirror, and also a vanity sink as well. And this balcony, right, it also connects all the way to the living area balcony as well. And let's take a look at bedroom number 5 over here. You don't have a balcony, but same thing, you have floor-to-ceiling glass that gives in a lot of natural light, and you can fit in a queen-size bed or even a king-size bed here as well, with some sitting areas over there, and a very nice featured wall behind. And your ensuite bathroom here as well. Comes with your vanity sink, vanity mirror, rain shower, and back to the living area. So the living area, as you can see, it's very, very spacious, and the dry kitchen there actually seamlessly flow to the dining area and to your living area here as well. I mean, it's meant to entertain and, you know, to create togetherness with your friends and families. And take a look at this, my friends. This TV console, you even have marble as well, TV console, which screams luxury. And a very nice, spacious, long balcony you have here. Of course, over here you have views of Merdeka 128, and right in front of you is the Pavilion Damansara Heights. Now, I think the big question here is how much does this penthouse cost? Now, it's about 6 million, which is about 1,003 per square feet, which is absolutely value for money because you can't find the kind of price for a penthouse in Damansara Heights, I can assure you, that's for sure. Now, if you think the balcony is nice, take a look at the wet and dry kitchen. Come on, let me show you. Now, this is where the magic happens, your dry kitchen. Now, this dry kitchen comes with very, very high specs. We have the cabinet system by Poggenpohl from Germany, all soft close. Of course, you have Miele appliances as well, hood and hob, a microwave oven as well from Miele, and a very nice marble countertop over here for you to serve, prepare food, or, you know, like a breakfast counter in the morning with your family and friends. This is also your concealed fridge over here and freezer by D. Dietrich. Back here, it's your wet kitchen. Comes with a Bosch fridge as well. My dear friends, a gas stove, which is really very rare. All the latest developments, right, it comes with induction cooker, so there's no gas. So if you want to do heavy cooking, right, my dear friends, this is a gas stove by Bosch as well, with hood and hob. And of course, this is your yard area, where you have an opening over here that gives in a lot of air circulation. And of course, on my right, this will be the maid's room and the maid's bathroom as well. Okay. Now let's check out the sleeping quarters. So this sleeping quarters over here is supposed to be 3-bedroom, but it has been converted into 2 bedrooms. Let me show you why. But before we get to that, take a look at this. This is bedroom number 3. And this bedroom also has been converted into an office or a lounge, a discussion area with some sofas over here. Of course, if you like, you can actually change it into a bedroom and even cabinets as well for you to put your clothes, and an ensuite bathroom here as well. And bedroom number 2, as I mentioned just now, it has been converted into something really special. Come and take a look, my friends. This is your walk-in wardrobe, my dear friends. Absolutely incredible. It comes with a very large mirror here for you to dress up and spot check yourself before you head out to your functions and all. And this is a center console for you to put in your expensive Rolex, Patek Philippe, Richard Mille. Yeah, nice belts, cufflinks. You have plenty of drawers here as well for you to put your stuff. And here's where you can put all your expensive bags. So they have converted this into, your dressing area, your wardrobe. And this room also comes with an ensuite bathroom as well, with rain shower, vanity sink, vanity mirror, with all fully clad with marble. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, when you come in, you'll be welcomed with this floor-to-ceiling glass windows, which almost wrap around the whole unit. That's why you have a lot of natural light coming in. And the windows, of course, overlooks Damansara Heights landed homes with some greenery. So welcome to the master bath. This is where it looks like a luxury 5-star spa. Yeah? A vanity mirror, his and her sink, everything all fully clad with marble, with all this toilet fittings in stainless steel by Gessi Emporio, and a very nice deep bathtub. Absolutely luxurious. So it looks like a spa actually. Now you think you have seen it all, right? Wait till you check out the facilities. Let's go. Alright, level 6 facilities. Of course, level 6 facilities, the first thing you see behind me, it's some nature, lush greenery, some green elements for you. And behind that, it's actually a walkway that connects the 2 towers together, Tower A and Tower B. A covered walkway, in fact, so when it rains, you can still go from tower to tower. And at the same time, the facility decks has 2 levels. And when you come into level 6, of course, the first thing that you see is this infinity edge pool, 50 meters. And it even comes with some leaf-shaped sitting areas over there. And at the other side will be the aqua gym and also the jacuzzi as well. And over at the other end is all the function rooms, barbecue. Now let's go up to the next level, which is the gym. So we are at level 7 facilities where you have your playground and also your childcare center over there. Facilities, right, also covered. So when it's heavy rain, your kids can still play as well. So there's no rains, water splashing in. And this will be your gym area. Unfortunately, I don't have the access card to go in, but it's a very well equipped gym with true equipments, Paramount, all these are the top brands as well. So guys, if you're looking for something which is priceless, elegant and close to everything, this is it guys. DC Residensi at Damansara Heights. And if you want to know more about Damansara Heights, the suburb itself, feel free to click on this video, which is a full tour on Damansara Heights. So this is Kelvin signing out from DC Residensi. If you like the video, remember to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future property tours.